So today is the 1st of November, or as I'm going to affectionately refer to it this year, No-vember. So I'm doing something fun and a little different for the entire month of November, which is each day coming to you with one idea for something you can say no to this month to make your life better, your team more productive, and your business more successful. The first thing I am saying no to is resentment. Are you with me? More tomorrow. Bye. Today we are saying no to notifications. This November, say no to procrastination. Just do it and you'll feel so great after you do. So for the 4th of November, we are saying no to taking on other people's accountability. And instead, we're focusing on the unique ways that we can help people and really scaling back the contribution of our assistants so we can stay focused on our own priorities.
But we have an exciting no for the 5th of November, which is we are saying no to CCs on emails. Ugh.
Today's tip is saying no to smoothing things over. And I know that this is a hard one for me too, because I tend to like things to be harmonious.
No is saying no to unsolicited advice, which is an awesome comment somebody made on one of our early November posts. So I love it.
Today, we're saying no to dumping work, and instead we're making sure that if we're asking somebody else to do a piece of work, we've set them up to do it well the first time. Hey, it's the 9th of November already. How did we get here? And today we are saying no to perfection. And today a no that is really hard for me, which is saying no to dehydration. Can't wait to hear how for November 11th you say no to at least one chunk of a standing meeting. Have a great day. Bye. Hello. Happy 12th of November. Can I give you a hint what I would really like to say no to today? Can you see that? Can you see how much snow we got last night? That's what I would really like to say no to. Making sure that we are saying no to being a spectator in our own meetings, because if we do that, what the heck is the point of having the meetings anyway? So November 12th, say no to being a spectator. Have a good day. Bye. What am I saying no to today? So this is a hard one in today's current environment, but saying no to the echo chamber, which is to say, saying no to sticking with the conversations that you know are going to be comfortable, sticking with talking to the people who you know are going to agree with you.
So for, what even is it? Thursday, the 14th of November, we are saying no to minding your own business. Have a good day. Bye. Why? It's because November turned into November this morning when, only a few hours before I had to leave for the airport, my iPhone crapped out. So that's it. November 15th, and we are saying no to using the term I have to. Have a good one. Bye.
Saying no to today. Judgment. We are saying no.
Okay, so you know all those moments when people come up to you and they're like, hey, can I pick your brain? You got a sec? Can I just stick all my important tasks all over your calendar, regardless of your goals and your hopes and your dreams and your plans and your priorities? I want you to say no to those things.
And so I'll tell you what my no was for today. My no was, it's time to say no to imposter syndrome. It is time to stop hiding my ideas, to stop hiding what I'm so passionate about, this cause I'm fighting for, and it's time to start sharing those ideas. And
say no to that 5th glass of champagne.
Productive. Okay, Marshall.
Say no to the 5th glass of champagne.
Okay.
Those assignments that don't really matter anyway. By the way, all that guilt, say no to guilt.
Bonus no. Say no to guilt.
No to guilt.
It's the 20th of November, and today we are saying no to this expression that is now, I'm hearing it all over everywhere now, the term fail fast.
Hey, the new book is called The Advice Trap, and here's what I'm saying no to. It's pretty predictable. Stop giving so much advice. You are an advice-giving maniac. I don't even know you, but you're crazy for it.
Okay, so November 22nd, and we are saying no to at least 3 automated subscription emails that we don't want anymore. Okay, bye.
Well, here's my favorite thing to say no to, and it's funny because this is an award ceremony for great management thinking, and I find I do my best thinking when I just don't overthink things, when I don't sit and ruminate and second guess and like argue back and forth with myself. When we have an idea, we move it forward, we get feedback. So like, don't overthink things. Just if you have an idea, experiment and do it.
Goals. Just stop. Yes! So here's the deal. And a couple other people have said systems to work better than goals. I don't even think you need that. I think what you need to ask yourself is, if I wanted to hit this goal, what do I need to show up to every day? Hi!
Okay,
We're filming a video, but now you're in it.
Okay, no, it's good. It's good. So the question is, what do my viewers need to say no to in November to be happier, healthier, and more productive? Jill Schiffelbein, amazing.
If it doesn't serve both your personal and professional lives, no is the right answer.
And so I say, my suggestion is say no to being nice and say yes to being kind.
No more time suckages.
And I would say no to listening to the same voices all the time.
And you should say no to being smart. I know that's anti what most people would think.
In this room,
but
sacrilege.
Usually when you're trying to be smart, you're actually also trying to avoid failure. So the idea is to lean into stupid and turn that into the new smart.
For some people, say no to meetings on Fridays. Pick 1 month, just say no. Use Fridays to think, to catch up, to make plans for the weekend and next week. No meetings. Get all your meetings done in the first 4 days of the week.
The brilliant people. The last day, the very last challenge, you can do this one at work, but equally as much at home, she says, while traveling with her 17-year-old daughter. It's really important with teenagers. We are going to say no to invalidating. Okay, thanks. Let me know what you think. Bye.